I have earned a lot from this community. If I have to talk about before and after joining this community, before I joined this community for at least 5 months, I was on a very low profile when it came to my health, when it came to my wealth, my career, my success. And I'm a very confident and outgoing girl, and I don't know what was going wrong with me. But it all started because I was suffering from diabetes, I was suffering from hypothyroidism, and my periods were messy. So,
So, welcome to one more time, the Rise to Fame interview with Dr. Komal Kini, and she's won this award. So, thank you so much, and congratulations,
thank
Dr.
you.
Komal, on winning the
Thank you
Rise
so
to
much.
Fame award. Yes, super duper
Thank you so
amazing.
much.
Yes, thank you, my dear. And let's hear from Dr. Komal herself, her story of her transformation before she joined the Energy Queens community, and after the transformation which has happened in her life is magnificent. It's beyond imagination also. So, Dr. Komal, without wasting too much of time, and I would love to know, where were you before you joined, and after you joined, what really changed in every area of your life? So, over to you, Dr. Komal, and yes, tell us a little bit about yourself and then where were you at?
Thank you so much, Ritu, for this opportunity. And I have earned a lot from this community. If I have to talk about before and after joining this community, before I joined this community for at least 5 months, I was on a very low profile when it came to my health, when it came to my wealth, my career, my success. And I'm a very confident and outgoing girl, and I don't know what was going wrong with me. But it all started because I was suffering from diabetes, I was suffering from hypothyroidism, and my periods were messy. So I wanted to correct this, and because I am into integrative and alternative therapies, I didn't want to take hormones that were suggested by the doctor. So, in search of more answers, I came across this community, and I saw your lecture, and I was very, very interested. And somehow I go with my gut feeling. So, my gut feeling said that I think I should do this. And that was just 1 week before Diwali. I attended the introductory lectures Saturday, Sunday, and I had paid very nominal amount, and I didn't even have money. Like I said, I was on low for almost 5 months, and I spoke to Sweetie, and she said, and Revti, and they both said that don't worry about money. You know, you will gain your money in no time. Whatever you're paying for this, you will regain it in no time, and that is so true. I didn't tell anyone. I broke my savings. I invested into this, and it was so worth it. Within 1 month, 1.5 months, I have regained everything that I had invested in myself for this course. And in 1.5 months, I have reversed my hypothyroidism. And yes, I was trying to do diet, exercise, and it never happened properly. And I understood what I was lacking was energy to continue, energy to sustain, energy to be disciplined, energy to be consistent, energy to keep your mind focused, and keep going and going and going. And that is what was lacking. And this course exactly gave me that. And this was such a big missing link in my life. And I realized that after doing this, I got the energy to get up early in the morning every day, to do my exercise every day, to set a diet routine for myself, to follow that and not miss, not cheat, to not be dishonest with myself, because it taught me that the person that I have to love more than anyone in this world is myself. And that is what I started doing, and it brought like amazing changes in my life. In 1.5 months, my hypothyroidism got reversed. My TSH values, which were more than 10 before I joined this course, in 1.5 months, it came down to 4.3, which is well within the normal range. I was diabetic, so my HbA1c value was 7.4. My sugar values fasting sugar values were around 135 or more. But after doing all this, the HbA1c value came down to 6.2, and I recently did another blood test and the values have gone down to 5.9. So from diabetic, I went to pre-diabetic, and I'm very, very close to becoming non-diabetic, and I am sure in the next month I'll be absolutely non-diabetic also, and I'll be in a normal range. And my energy levels are like super high. From morning to night, I am on a high energy plane. Like people appreciate, and people ask me like, like, wow, girl, what is wrong with you? Where are you getting all that energy from? And
I would say, what is right with you, right? Not wrong with you, but what is right with you now? Yes.
Yeah, that and we tell ourselves like, don't worry, that was something wrong. Now I am right.
Yes.
So yes, I am on the right track. I am on the right plane, and whatever is happening is like absolutely fantabulous, and it just keeps getting better and better and better. And when it comes, this is my health. Okay, when it comes to my money, for almost 5 months, I was just barely making money to pay my bills. No, and then it went down even more. Like I was not even able to pay my bills, and I was thinking, what is happening? Like, what is going wrong? And then I realized that I'm probably not paying enough attention to my business also, because everything was messy. I was not paying attention to my health, my family, my business. I was all over the place, and that is why everything was going haywire. So the moment I became focused, the moment I knew how to direct my energy to my business, and this course exactly taught me that, and it taught me how to set intentions, how to build energy for your work, how to create visuals for your work, and I exactly started doing that. And within no time, like I paid for the diamond course, and I think I became a diamond. And within 1 week, wherein my earnings had dropped from like 50,000 to 50,000 per day to 10,000 per day to sometimes 5,000 per day, and I didn't know what was going on. And the moment I started doing all the energy work, and I started reaching clinic on time, and I started doing all my work, and I started speaking to my clients, I think in 1 week my business has shot from 5,000 to 50,000, and is just going more and more and more every single day. So there are days wherein sometimes we are making 70, sometimes we are making 80,000 per day, sometimes we are making 1 lakh per day, and it just doesn't go down, because I realize that all you need is to be focused, be in love with yourself, be in alignment with the energy world, be in alignment with the universe, be in alignment with the only frequency which is the highest frequency, that is love towards yourself, love towards your work, and love towards everyone around you. And it just falls into place, and you just start attracting things. And I am so happy and thankful, and I feel so grateful that I got this community and I am a part of this community. So this was for my health, my work.
Amazing. Super.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And I'm so grateful to you, Ritu, and the entire community. Thank you so much. When it came to my purpose, suddenly I started getting visions, and these visions were like exceptional visions. These were visions that I could not believe that I've been chosen to do all these things in my life. For example, I got a vision that I am a Kanha Bhakt, but I never knew that this is what he will ask me to do. So I got a vision that I am supposed to make Vrindavan the cleanest and greenest city in the entire world. I got a vision that I have to build forests, because without trees, you cannot reverse global warming, you cannot have enough water, you cannot have pure air. So I got a vision that I have to build forests. I got a vision that I have to build integrative and holistic universities for vets all around the world to make, because this is the need of the hour. Like what we are doing here also, I realized, is nothing but a holistic healing for everyone out here. We are using energy, and we are using that energy to heal everything in our life. And that is what I am into. For like last 10 years, I'm using different holistic and alternative methods to treat my animals and to give them solutions and to give them better options to heal themselves. And I realized that this is the purpose of my life, that I am supposed to do out here. I've been chosen to do this, and I realized that I have to build universities for vets. So I actually asked my friend, who is like a very good painter, and I asked him to formulate this entire university ka picture for me, and he sketched it out for me, and that is what I have laminated and put it in my bedroom also. So there is one vision board that you can see right behind me. That is the vision board for 2025. And if I can show you, there is, let me just turn the camera. And that is my university picture. And those are all the paintings that my son has made. He's just 9 years old, and that is a university picture that I have put in the bedroom. And
Wow.
whenever I do my my daily practices, morning energizers, whichever meditations that I'm doing, I make sure that I bless my vision board and my dream, my university. So
Amazing, super duper amazing, Dr. Komal, and more energy to you to fulfill all your vision and all your dreams. And I know that eventually you're going to be doing that because you are the energy queen, Dr. Komal.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
Energy
all of
Empress,
this. Yes, energy
I
empress.
just realized that in health as well as in money, the audit, or I don't know, the questions that you all give to see what is your belief, what are your emotions, and what do you feel
I
about.
know that you've cracked it all, and I know that you're really, really getting up.
I was below 50. I was somewhere around 35, 40, and now I'm seeing that I have crossed above 80, and I'm like, in money I've gone over 80. In what was that?
Health.
Money. Health I have gone above 80, and I have not even taken purpose or Eka Essence and
Riti
yeah,
relationship.
and I have not taken that audit, and I'm like, just wait for a month. I want to go above 80, but I want to reach 100. So I am going to take that Energy Empress Award in June
Yes, super
2025.
amazing. Thank you so much for sharing that. And any one last message which you want to give to everyone who's watching this video?
I just want to say that believe in yourself, love yourself, be confident, and it does not matter whether you're doing everything every day or not, because at the end of the day you're a human, but you should be happy. Like suppose if I'm not able to do the daily energizer today, I will still not curse myself that, oh, I could not do this, I could not do this. I will still celebrate the 5 or 10 wins or 7 wins or whatever that I can do, I did today. And I will appreciate myself. I will
Yes.
do whatever that I can, and I will try to keep my energy frequency high. So
And those of them who have not yet enrolled, do you want to tell them anything?
those who have not enrolled, I just want to tell you that you are keeping yourself away from your growth, your success, if you are not enrolling into Diamond.
Not just Diamond, not Diamond. I mean, for people to come into our community, my dear, Dr. Komal.
This is, you get a lot of support, you get a lot of help, not just from one person, but there will be so many other people in the community who will be ready to help you. So all you need is to just put yourself here. So don't wait, just join this community, and that's it. You don't have to think anything, and you will just fly high. You just have to go with the flow, and you will fly high, and you will get everything that you will ask for or you wish for. So that is my personal guarantee, because I am getting everything that I'm asking for.
Thank you. You're super duper amazing. And once again, congratulations, Dr. Komal, and more energy.
Thank you so much, Ritu. Thank you.